look as if I belong in an animated Disney feature of Aladdin. Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Yuki, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, yeah. Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be playing around with some glitter because it's been a while since I've done glitter on the eyes. I'm hoping this will be a look you can also use as inspiration for prom, because when I think prom, I think glitz, glam, everything. What is the color everyone is wearing to prom this year? Because it's been a while since I was in high school, so you know. Before we continue, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and also hit that bell. Make sure you have all notifications checked off. Some of you be like, oh my gosh, Yuki, where you been? You don't have notifications on, so you didn't know I've been uploading like all these weeks, and you missed out. So you don't want to miss out, so just subscribe, hit the bell, get all notifications. Okay, let me stop. All right, let me zoom you guys in. You are all up in my business, okay? You know what? These earrings don't have to come off because I mean business, and I don't have time. You know, when the look is finished, then we can proceed to slay. But right now, it's no slaying time. I was gonna put foundation on first, but I think I should be wise. I'm using my Maybelline Great Lash Transparent Mascara. It works great as a brow gel for me. For my eye base, I'll be using the P. Louise base in the shade 4. All right, now that we have blended away our troubles, I'll be taking this palette here by Ace Beauty. It's actually Beauty, but I just like to say Ace Beauty. All right, let me stop being weird. Okay, so this is the Classical Paradise palette. Very pretty, I must say, darling, I must say. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I'll be taking this shade right here called Soil. I'm not using the actual bristles head on. I'm kind of using the side of the brush to stamp the color on. So I'm laying it on with the side of the brush, as you can see. Now that the eyeshadow is stamped on, I'm just going to use circular motions to blend out the perimeter very lightly.
Much later.
I'm gonna skip over to this part because I'm not liking the combination of colors that I used. I'm actually gonna erase this and start all over again because no, it's a no. Okay, I redid the Soil color. I think I'm just gonna play it safe and do a warm eye because I'm a little bit traumatized by what just happened previously. Next, using the same palette, I'm gonna take this shade called Vegetation right here. Looks like I gotta do some stamping first. I got some stamping done. I'm just gonna lightly blend. Every day's like an open door. Every night is a fantasy. Every sound's like a symphony. I love you, Baltimore. Sorry, I've been watching Hairspray on Netflix. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. I can say it ain't so, but darling, what's the use? The darker the chocolate, the richer the taste. Now that's where it's at. Now baby, run and tell that. Run and tell that. Run and tell that. I'm gonna go back in with Soil and reinforce any areas that are missing some of that color. I'm basically alternating between the burgundy and the orange, adding more, blending more, you know the drill. You know what it do, you know what it do. Next, I'll be taking this yellow right here called Maze. I'm first gonna stamp it along the perimeter of the eyeshadow, just using the side of my brush. Bakam, and it ain't correct, and she love me, and I forget. Sensima, why the dollar, Sensima? Why not they call us Sensima? This kind of shit they don't sound. Basically, I'm just alternating each color and adding more pigmentation, blending more until I'm satisfied, essentially. All right, finally, I think we are ready to move on to the cutting of the crease. To cut the crease, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Dab of that onto my brush. So usually I'll look up at this point and cut like way up here, but I don't want it up too high because I don't want to cover the beauty of what we have going on. I'm trying to use just a light coating of the concealer because I don't want this to transfer onto the glitter we're gonna have, and I want it to kind of dry some before placing the glitter on. I'm gonna be using this combo, Lit Cosmetics Clearly Liquid Glitter Base, and this is actually an old glitter, but it's just so pretty. This glitter says Ijosi Lux on it, but it's actually, the name of the company has changed. It's now Isoke Inofe, so it no longer is Ijosi Lux. I actually don't know if she still sells glitter on her new site, but you can check. This one is the color Dubai. I chose this color because I literally have no other glitter like this color. It's like a yellow gold. It's just so pretty. Pour some of my glitter onto my mixing plate. Next, pour some of my clearly liquid glitter base on there. Using my MAC 242S brush, I'm going to dip a little bit into the base and then a bit into the glitter and stamp. Look at that. Oh, I'm trying not to go all the way down to the actual lash line because my eyeliner is gonna go there. This is how much of the glitter and the liquid base that I have left. I'm gonna wipe off the edge of this. Gonna apply my foundation under eye concealer, do the rest of that stuff, and then we'll come back and address the lower lash line and do some lips and highlighter. The face is beat, the eyes are glittering, shimmering, glistening, Krispy Kreme glazed donutting, just everything is happening. What to use to the inner corner? Okay, let me stop. I'm gonna use barley. Place that. Oh, no, you're giving me silver. I need gold. Let's use this shade here called Hey. Okay, we could work with that. We could work with this. I really try to be normal. I really do, but I can't help it. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna take this color here that oh, I hit pan. Soil. I see like a little speckle of the metal pan. Wow, really? I just rolled my clean blender into the mixture of glitter. Now I have to clean it again. This is just wonderful. You see the glitter? Do you see the glitter? Do you want to know how I'll know when I've been found by the one? When he makes me just as happy as when my face is beat and I'm feeling myself. That's when I'll know. I will be using my Le Page Trends Amethyst Lashes. These are they're just bomb. You cannot tell me anything, they're just bomb. Okay, the lashes are on. I'm gonna let them dry first before I start to curl them up to the heavens. I'll be using the highlighter from the True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance. I've just been blabbing about how much I love this highlighter, so yeah. I did mad. Oh my gosh. Like, actually, ask them. I did mad. It's a wrap. Everybody go home. Don't mind my scarf. I know it's doing the Ray J hat challenge right now, but you know what? We had to readjust her for some bronzation of the faceation, okay? This is a Sigma tapered highlighter F35, and this is my favorite highlighting brush. It's just so good. Some of you are asking where I got this lash curler from. It is actually from a brand called Reveal Beauty. For the lips, I'll be using this Bare Minerals Bare Pro lipstick in the shade Cinnamon. It's too light. So I'm gonna wait for it to dry down. I'll apply some MAC Chestnuts and blend things out, and hopefully it'll settle. But this is the finished look, you guys. What do you think? I'm loving it. Usually I don't care for cut creases because they take too long. This one took a while, trust me. And the way my different eye shapes and, you know, the eye skin, all that stuff, the way it's all set up, I cannot be bothered. I just cannot be bothered. But I am loving how this turned out. You know, we're looking real regal. You know what I am saying. Okay, I just thought I'd bring you guys something glittery since, you know, it's prom season and all. And yeah, by the way, you guys, if you are in Houston, I'll be at the makeup show in Houston on March 23rd on a Saturday. Please be sure to check out my Instagram for more information because I will be having a meet and greet at the Isoka Inofe and Lula Cosmetics booth. I hope to see you there. I'll finally get to meet some of you guys and I'm super excited. So check out my Instagram for more information. I'm at Yuki_, YOUKE_. ______. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me once again, and I hope to see you in the next video, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye.